Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So in that we are going to talk about one more science and technology, right? We are in the unit of science and technology. So how the science and technology was using by you and by me was really awesome. Now we are using science and technology. We are using technology nowadays because virtual classes, there was no live classes, so we are having virtual classes. We are using the technology more than enough, right? So in that we are going to talk about a beautiful poem which was written by Linda Ann. So preteen pretext. So what is a preteen and what is pretext we already know. 11 years to 12-year-old child, especially you, and pretext means whatever the errors you are saying and whatever the reasons you are talking about, that we discussed in the previous classes. And what are the reasons, many reasons, silly reasons to get aware all those things. We are saying many reasons in the name of technology, in the name of modernization, what we are doing, how we are doing, everything was clearly discussed in the previous classes. And today also I will revise all the total poem today for your better understanding. I will complete today total poem because from 2 days we are discussing, and today definitely I will complete this total poem, and later we will discuss exact all the poem again and again, and we will complete the today's class. Okay, let's begin today's class. Where chores demands, chore means works. So let me write here. Chore means not Hindi. Our chore means our what we call a thief. That is not here in our English. It was routine works or works, daily works, right? Works or tasks. So chores demand her energies. I simply text her asking, please, no alibis or missing word. No alibis or excuses. Alibis. So no alibis or missing word, because it's clear that she has heard. So here during the daily works or routine works, so when chores demand her energy, so every day, for example, it is not even, for example, by spending mobile time with mobile, we can't cook the food because we have to use our own hands. We can't complete homework. We have to write our own hands, right? So we have to do some daily works, that is a routine task. So when routine task demand her to spend time, for example, every day I am spending time on with mobile phone. So spending time with mobile phone. So when the time comes for eating, how we can eat? With our own hands. We have to spend time on eating, not with the mobile. With mobile phone we can't eat. We can order food, but we can't eat. We can't make the mobile phone to eat, right? So we have to use our own energy. So like a daily routine task, or cleaning, washing, cooking, washing, or making, eating. So some routine task will be this. So that for that we have to spend our own energy, and I simply text her asking, please, no alibis, no excuses or missing word, because it's clear that she heard. So to complete the works, we have to do by our own self, not with the technology. So when I call her immediately, I will say that you have to do this work, means she has to do, because there will be no excuses for the daily task, routine works. So and if my daughter goes outside, so when the daughter goes out to visit friends both far and wide means far or near or wrong, her curfews easy to enforce with her new cellular resource. So very simple. In olden days, for example, if you left home, nowadays if you go home, you will have a mobile phone with you, right? So when you go to your friend's home, if you have some time there, immediately your father or mother will call you. Where are you? You can say, I am at my friend's homes, or I am in the playground, I was playing. So the communication become easier. the communication become easier, right? The communication become easier. So even if the girl leaves the home, immediately they can get communicated with the daughter, and mother can communicate even when they go to meet friends, when they go to some other place, when they go to meet some other friends, when they go to play, when they go in the friend's home, when they're going for market or work. So every time we can have a connection. Daughter or mother can be connected through cellular mobile, means cell phone, with the cell phone, because communication made them to be very, very close. Even they were very far. Even see, for example, I'm giving my own example. I was too far from my home. So every day I was talking to my father, mother, brother, and my daughter, my sister-in-law. With everyone I am talking. How I am talking means with mobile phone. So video chat, video call. So that made us to feel that we are near. So live experience. So even when we are far or when we are near, when the daughter goes out, here mother was very, very comfortable. Previously mother has to worry, where is my daughter? For example, in the olden days when we won't have mobile phone, when the daughter or somebody goes home, if they were late, they will start roaming where they were. They will start going to search for the daughter or any girl. Why? Because there will be no communication. But nowadays, very simple. If for example you went out from the home to meet your friend, so you said in 10 minutes you will come back. You will come back. So 10 minutes has been finished. Immediately what you will get? You will get a call from father or mother. Hello, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Right? So in the olden days there was no mobile phones. How? She said I will come by 10 minutes. But 10 minutes completed. But daughter was not coming. What they will feel? Maybe what happened to my daughter? Where she was? Maybe somebody kidnapped, or somebody has been taken, or where she was, or any injury or any accident happened. So they will think like many reasons will come to in their mind. Immediately they will start searching for the girl. They will go there again, they will search there. So that will be a big problem. So now there was no risk, and it was very, very safe to be connected. Even when she goes far, when the daughter goes far, or when near, so some other place, some other country, some other place, it is very, very near to be connected with the cellular phones, mobile phones. So cellular phones made the mother and to be very, very connected. So this beeping tether holds her close while helping her feel grandiose. If separation occurs, my speed dial links my heart to hers. Immediately this beeping means when the sound tether holds her close. Even that when she was far to my home, when the mobile rings, when the phone rings, then immediately I will be connected. For example, in the movies, when you watch in the movies, especially who are other places, when they got mobile, when they got ring of the phone, immediately father or old father or mother will get more happiness, because maybe my daughter, my son, or my daughter-in-law, my son-in-law, maybe somebody called. So immediately with a great happiness they will go and they will pick the call, because when they heard the sound they feel more happy because somebody is calling them, right? So same thing here, when the daughter was outside, when the mobile rings, then immediately she will feel more comfortable, more happy, because maybe I got a call from. So I feel that she was very, very close to me. She was very, very close to me, while helping her feel grandiose. Grandiose means what? I will write more large scale. Here was in the textbook, planned on a larger scale. Planned on a large scale. So, if separation ever occurs, my speed dial links my heart to hers. So immediately, even we want to separate each other to go, she has to go for some other call, some other place, I have to be here, I have to go some other place, she has to be here. Even the separation occurs. Even the separation occurs, we won't feel be separated. Why? Because immediately I will call or she will call. So then it will make us to feel comfortable that we are near, that we are very near to each other, that made us to feel more and more comfortable life. So mobile phones made us to be connected. So there will be a what we call a signature, a slogan or tag for Nokia mobile phones. Maybe how many of you knows, I don't know. Maybe most of you don't know older mobile phones. Maybe you know about only iPhone or other MI, Redmi mobile phones, or Oppo or Vivo. Those mobiles we know. But older days we have Nokia mobiles that connecting people, right? Connecting people. The same, the connecting people slogan comes here. Here, even we are far from each other, but the mobile phone is getting connected. We are getting connected with the mobile phone. So mobile phone is making us to be connected with each other. Our handy cell phones help us out, convenient, easy with no doubt. Yes, certainly they have their place, but can't we talk once face to face? Now mother was ending another reason, that saying that even we have mobile phones. Mobile phones have their own life. Mobile phones have their own. Yes, it is giving convenient time for us. It is giving convenient time. We are talking on mobile phones. Even when we are far, we are talking. Even when we are on the top floor, we are talking each other by the ground floor. So we are having a relationship, and we are having everything in our life. But everybody have their place in their role. For example, we have friends. So in our life, friends have certain role. Father, mother have certain role. Teacher have some role. So we had given some roles for everybody. So everybody has playing their own role. So same like that, mobile phone also having a certain role in our life. Mobile phone should have a certain role in our life. And why we are saying certain role should be in our own life means, here the daughter was saying that you don't worry, I was making a video call for you from the top floor to ground floor. I was on the first floor, you were on the second floor. Let us talk to like this. What will happen? Nothing will happen. And here the mother was saying one word, that is, yes, of course you are talking to me. Of course you are having a video call with me. Of course you are communicating with me all the time. But why can't we meet face to face? Why can't we meet face to face once? So that was the asking. But why? But can't we talk once face to face? What made them to be separate? We are saying that technology was with us. We are saying technology, we are having a technology, we are having face-to-face communication with a video chat. But why can't we talk face-to-face? Even daughter and mother was in the same house. They were staying in the same house, but they are not even talking to each other. Very simple. They were saying that with mobile phones they were talking. Daughter was in the first floor, you can see the picture there. Daughter was in the first floor, mother was in the ground floor, and both they were talking on a mobile phone. They are not even coming down and talking. Or why mother was not going up and daughter was not coming down? So they are feeling that mobile phone is connecting us. So what is the problem? We are getting connected to each other. So what is the reason to be come down or going up? So mother was asking one reason, my dear daughter, why can't you come down and talk to me once? Why can't we have face-to-face communication? We are having mobile phone, video chats. That was not feeling, that was not fulfilled exactly. So we can't feel that 100%. I was talking to mobile phone to my parents face-to-face. That is not, that won't give a live experience what we will talk to family members every day when we are at home. So it won't replace that. So mobile phone is mobile phone. So we have to give a certain roles. How you are giving roles in your life. You are giving father and mother has a certain roles, friends having certain roles, and teacher you are having a certain roles. So like that you have to give a certain role for everybody in your life. So everybody will have certain roles in our life. So we will have certain roles in our life. So we have to give, I guess, same role for mobile phone. Why we are giving more freedom for mobile phone in our lives? So we are saying that we are freedom, we are having free life, we are having a beautiful life. Everybody was saying that. Maybe in the year maybe previous year I given a speech on Independence Day saying that we got independent. Are we really independent? Really, we are saying that we have a freedom to we have the freedom to do anything. We can do everything, we can do anything. But are you really independent? Are you really, do you have your own time to do all the things? For example, do you have the right to do all the things? Are you doing all your works properly in your daily life? Are you doing or anything dominating you? Are you doing or anything is dominating your life? Or are you doing everything or anything is dominating your life? Just think of yourself. Whether you are doing everything as like yours or something was dominating you or something is changing your life. For example, let me say you one thing. For example, as a daughter, you thought that you want to listen this class today. So when you are watching the class, you may get a notification. In the previous class we discussed, you will get a notification, WhatsApp notification. Immediately what you will get? Will you listen the class? Immediately going for chatting with group friends and again wasting time, not even watching the classes. So what made you change means something is diverting your mind. The same thing here. Normally you have it to talk every day. I said every day we will talk to your family members for during lunchtime or dinner time or in the evening time. But with mobile phone, what is happening now? We are not spending time with father and mother. We are not sitting with them. We are not talking to them. We are simply spending mobile phone. So which is taking away your time. So mobile phones were taking away your time. So I am asking a straight question. Are you really independent? Or something was dominated. So you are not independent. You are in a prison. You are in a cell, a prison. You are feeling that you are independent. You are feeling that you are independent, but something was ruling you. Something was dominating your ideas. Something was dominating your thoughts. Something was dominating your daily works. What was dominating? Very simple. Mobile. So you are feeling that you are free and you are feeling that you are having a beautiful life. But the fact is you are inside the cage. Mobile phone is cell phone. Cell. You are under the cell. You are in the cell. You are under the hands of cell phone. It is dominating the daughter. The mother was asking that a very simple question. Daughter, why can't we meet face to face once? So how pathetic condition it was. We are nowadays it is going on. For example, you are in the room, mother is calling you from the door, so you are not listening. So simply she made a call, you made a call, both you are talking. Okay, I was in the class, I was in the room, I will come back. So where you are, where she was and where you are in the room, she was in the hall. So very simple what we are doing. So what was dominating our daily life? So we are seeing that we are independent. We got freedom in 1947. But are we really independent? Are you really independent? Or you are in the cage? Or are you in the cell? So what was dominating your daily life? Or what was dominating your daily life? So whether you are having a peaceful life or something was dominant. Here the mother was asking question. My dear daughter, you are saying that we are talking to every day. You are saying that we are having a beautiful relationship. You are saying that every day we are talking on mobile phone. You are saying everything was doing by mobile phone. But shall we talk once face to face? Will you come down to talk to me once face to face, sitting in front of me? Is it possible? So she was asking a straight question to daughter. So that was happening nowadays. We are not having a healthy relationship in the name of technology, in the name of modernization. What is the pretext? Means one saying a silly reasons which was not actually true. We are saying that mommy, I was busy, let me talk something. Let me call you once. Finished. So that was the problem. So we are under the cell. We are dominating by the mobile phone. We are dominating by the mobile phone. It was dominating us. It was dominating us. It is not even making us to spend time with family members. It is not even making us to spend sitting together and talking together. So it's very simple, very simple. During this Corona days, technology was being used very because we can't be sitting together because social distance should be maintained. So it was useful. But normal days, what we are doing, common days, where we are going, common days, what we are doing. So that was very, very important, as we should understand. As a student, you should understand. So how mobile phone is being dominated you. We are doing the works regularly or not. All the works we're doing in a proportionate manner or not, or something is dominating our life. For example, you are doing, you are helping mother in the kitchen. Immediately a notification comes, one message, second message, third message, what, fourth message, you will keep there and you will go mobile phone. Why? It will make us to go there. So what was dominating your life? What is dominating your life? Mobile phone is dominating. So when we are doing some certain works, we should keep in the silent mode. Then you won't know what is happening. At least switch off, nothing will happen. Nothing. What will happen? Nothing will happen. So while during when I used to sleep, when I want to take rest, or when I was in busy work, I used to keep in silent mode. Even not in vibrate, silent mode. So I don't know who will call. That will happen as nothing problem. Nothing will happen, because when we are doing some work, we should keep that away, or else it will dominate us. It will dominate. I faced the problem many times. For that only, I took a serious decision when I was doing any certain work. When I was doing any work, any busy work, or any writing work, or reading work, or any other work, I will keep in silent mode or flight mode, because if it is on, then immediately a notification will come or a message will come during this 24-hour data on. So because of that, some certain notification will come. So it will divert our mind. So to clear that, we should use. So that is very, very important. So that is the end of the poem Preteen Pretext. What the 11 to 12 years girl was saying the reason to mother means, daughter was saying that I was very near to you, mommy, because mobile phone, and anytime you can call me, at any time you can talk to me. But the daughter was not even identifying that what she was missing. What she was missing means the live experience. Mother wanted to talk to daughter with the live, with face to face, but daughter was feeling that it was very, very common nowadays. So that was what the Preteen Pretext ends means. We are saying that everything was in a role, but we have to keep a mobile in a certain role. Everybody has certain limitations in their life, so we have to keep mobile phone in a limit. We have to give certain role for mobile phone. You have to be like this, or 10 minutes or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, that is only your role, not 24 hours. Even we can't even find anybody without mobile phone nowadays. Nowadays, nobody was there without mobile phone. So it was very, very true. And wherever they are going, they are having mobile phone. So nowadays, in coming days, it became a body part. How the hand, how heart, like a mobile phone is become an essential part for a human being. So nowadays, they are keeping a separate pocket for mobile phones. Previously, we have a pocket for keeping hands and like this, and they are giving a separate pocket for keeping mobile phones. So now it was going, so how trendy it was. So without mobile phone, nobody was there. So it was being dominated human lives. So mobile phone is dominating you, or you are dominating mobile phone. You should understand yourself. So whether you are doing all the works regularly, properly or not. If not, you are being dominated by mobile phone, or you just think that. Don't allow cell or mobile phone to dominate your life. If it dominates your life, you will be khatam. You will be finished. So take care of your life. Take care of mobile phone, because we are in the world of technology, we are in the world of science, we are in the world of modernization. At the same time, we should know what is the role of science and technology and what is the role of everybody. So we should keep a certain limitation for mobile phone. So we have to keep that on certain times, in certain situations, in certain limitations. We should keep and we should maintain the relationship. Then we will be very happy, or else our life will be, our relationship will be spoiled. So that is the end of the Preteen Pretext. So let me talk about the first thing. So Preteen Pretext about the mobile phones, especially about mobile phones. Whenever it comes, when the sound comes, it will say that I was very near to you. So every time it was giving sounds, beep sounds will make us to nervous, and it will make us to remember I was near. And every time we will get notification, and it will emit light. By emitting light, we will get sight. So that was nowadays everybody having a big problem of sight. Every student is getting, I already said you in the first class, you can find after the school has been reopened, you can find many of your friends with specs. That was fact. That was true. You can see how many of your friends came with specs. Maybe you are also having specs now. So that was 100% true. And definitely before coming to school, if you go for checking of your eyesight, then definitely everybody will have sight. That was true, because during this lockdown COVID-19 days, 5 months you were at home, and 5 months in 24 hours, in 24 hours maximum you spent your mobile 16 hours, more than 16 hours. 16 hours you spent on mobile phone. 16 hours. Previously I called to one of my student to wish on his birthday. When I called him, he was didn't pick my call. So later he called me at 12:30. His birthday on the day. Morning means afternoon 12:30 he called. I asked her, today is your birthday, then why you didn't pick? Are you busy? He said, no sir, just I got up 12:30. Not only that boy, many were there. So 12:30 I got up. What made you to get up 12:30 means when you are going to sleep? He said, I am sleeping at 2:30, 3 o'clock. 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Until then what you are doing? Mobile phone, games, playing, chatting. See where they were going, what it was doing. So won't we get sight with that? Won't we get health issues with that? So this is very, very important. So we have certain situations, we have certain limitations. So give the mobile phone as a mobile phone. Treat it as a mobile phone, not as a friend, or not as a body part, not as a neighbor. So treat like a mobile phone, just to talk and to communicate message. That is the role of mobile phone. If you give more freedom, if it come to dominate our life, then it will be finished. Then it will be finished. So this is very, very important to you to understand about the role of a mobile phone. So if you won't understand the role of mobile phone, it is very, very problematic for you. So understand what was dominating your life. If you are being dominated by the mobile phones, please come out from the cage. Come out from this cage and be happy life. You have to be liberate now. You have to be free now from the cage. So try to understand how much time you are spending on mobile phone, how much time you are sparing your time with mobile phone. Understand, if you are having more time with it, it is taking away your time. It is taking your own time and making to not to spend your time with your own family members. It is not making you to spend your time with your own neighbors. So that is very, very big problem. It is taking away your social life. It is taking away your freedom. And finally the mother was asking the question that, can't we talk face to face, my dear daughter? So what pathetic word it is. How sad it was. How the situation was going on. Daughter was saying that, hey mummy, we are talking on mobile phone, what is the problem? We are talking every day on mobile phone, what is the problem? But the problem is they are not having a face-to-face communication. That was the big problem. So you should understand what is being dominated in your life, whether you are being dominated or you are dominating it. So just understand and come to the reality. If you are being spending time with mobile phone, please don't waste your time in it. Spend some time with your family members. Then you will be having a great life in your further life. So that is the end of the poem, Pretix. I hope you enjoyed the summary and a poem explanation. And don't spend on time with your more time with mobile phone. Spend time with your family members. Then you will get some relationship with your family members that makes you feel more comfortable. So that is the end of the poem, Pretix. I hope which was written by Lisa Ann. So that is the end of the poem. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.